You cannot think your way into awakening. You cannot read your way, analyze your way, or effort your way into truth. The doorway is not thought. The doorway is silence. Thought is noise. It divides reality, narrates it, judges it, compares it. But beneath thought, there is a vast, unmoving field of awareness. Like the sky behind every weather pattern, silence is not the absence of sound. Silence is the presence of pure being. The ego lives through words. If silence deepens, the story of me begins to dissolve. This is why people stay busy, always talking, always consuming, always thinking. The noise protects the illusion. Silence threatens it. If you sit in silence long enough, something strange happens. The world does not disappear, but your sense of separation begins to fade. The body breathes on its own. Thoughts appear without the thinker. You begin to sense, I am not inside my mind. My mind is inside awareness. In deep silence, there is no past, no future, no you, only a luminous presence, utterly still, completely alive. This presence is what every scripture points to, but none can describe. Awakening does not start with fireworks. It starts with a breath where nothing is missing. A moment where the mind falls away. A stillness that feels like home. The longer you remain conscious in this silence, the thinner the illusion becomes. So pause for a moment. Not with your ears, but with awareness itself. Can you sense the stillness beneath this moment? That space is always here, whether thoughts are loud or quiet. It is the doorway. You will not find awakening in thought. You will meet it in the gap between thoughts. Enter there. Again and again, until silence becomes your teacher. This was episode 8 of the Awakening Roadmap. Next, episode 9, Ego Has Masks, How the False Self Protects Itself Even During Spiritual Practice. Download the full 24-step awakening map below, or begin episode 1, House of Luminosity. Enter the light within.